Johnny content.
Good morning, good morning.
What are we working on here?
Right now I'm working on my 78 F-250 over lunch. I got the cab, welded in new floors, welded up most of the holes shut that are not used on the firewall. Got the cab into primer. Now I'm fitting the doors in the front clip to see how they line up and get all that ready to roll for primer. Frame is actually for the 79 blue one up front, but since it's out, I'm gonna use it quick. The front clip, still need to line it a little better, get it all nice and straight and make sure all the body lines fit and all the gaps are correct. That's what I'm doing right now. We got the 70 Chevelle show car, almost done with the final stage primer, and that hopefully soon needs just one more stage of primer and it's ready for paint. He's working on the Jag. He's getting that all ready to go. He's working on the hood. He's gonna do some custom sheet metal work, and it's gonna be pretty custom. We got Clint, he's working on the Challenger, shaving the front bumper, getting that all ready to go. Pretty soon, once he's done with that, that's gonna go into some high build. On the other hand, we got the pink hood already painted. We're doing some buff and polish work before we throw it on the car. Once we throw it on the car, do a quick detail, put the trim and the chrome on, that's ready to go. The Nova, got it all sanded down and doing some body filler work on some areas, and that hopefully will be ready for high build here soon. On the other note, that's all I got for you. Check in later.